Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Megally Martin. She works for the city of Bowling Green, and she is going to be our keynote speaker for our upcoming Homemaker International Day. You will be taking us on a tour of your country, Costa Rica. The event is going to be on Thursday, March 7th at 11 a.m. And we are so excited. Megally, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, yes. So I am from Costa Rica and a small little town but we moved to the city at a certain point, and I got married to a person who is from here in the United States, and we were in Costa Rica married for 10 years, and he decided that he would like to take a position of fruit of the loom. For 18 years ago already, we moved here to Bowling Green, and this has been coming our home for us, for the kids. We brought 3 kids and they were small, and they just have the greatest opportunities on education and sports and feeling the beauty of Bowling Green. The Kentucky has been a fantastic state for us, the education and the people, everything.
Megally, why is Costa Rica such a special place?
So Costa Rica has a very strategic position because it is in the middle of the South and North America. It's a bridge between the two areas. It's only 2.5 hours from Miami.
Hmm.
So yes, so if you're in Miami, it's only 2 hours flight, and it's bringing a lot of assets in vegetables, coffee, the resources that we're bringing, and also tourism, which is a fantastic place to go and visit. We do have a lot of call centers, so also with the English language is part of something that everybody are learning in our country. So to get good jobs and everything, and the level of education has been providing that. And we have a lot of call centers and international business who established there. So it's just a great place to visit.
Yes, it has a little bit of everything. I know that Costa Rica is known for its stunning beaches, its beautiful rainforests, and even many wildlife animals. Is that right?
Yes, there's more of the 25% of the territory is dedicated to national parks and reserves. And we have maybe more than 5% of the global biodiversity in such a small country. We are the size of maybe West Virginia, and it's a small, with a population of 5 million people in the whole country. And it has different ecosystems, the rainforest, the beaches, the mountains. So it is diverse in such a small territory.
Every year, our Warren County Homemakers host an International Day, and this year it's going to be on Thursday, March 7th at 11 a.m. here at the Warren County Cooperative Extension Office. It's totally free and open to the public, and we would love to have anyone join us, so please bring a friend. I think this would be great for maybe a homeschool group. It's going to be a wonderful educational event. We do ask that you give our office a call to RSVP at 270-842-1681. Megally, what are you going to be sharing with us?
I was planning to focus why Costa Rica is a good place to visit, why it's a good place to go, or maybe even to have businesses with. It's a country of opportunities. It's a country where many people retire to. It's an oasis in the middle of this continent, and people are friendly. We have the blue zones. We have a blue zone there, which is one of the happiest places in the world. And one of the things that is very important is that people are very content with simple life, content with what they have, content on how you live a simple ways, but also a happy ways that will be enrich your staying or your life there.
Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.